What's up, YouTube? Stopped over at Gilbert's. We're gonna throw some, well, I should say he is, because I'm incompetent with wiring. Most of it already done up. Try to get the side that's burnt out. And this right here is why I don't fuck with wiring. At all.
When I get to the back, I can use my greaser.
Good old wiring harnesses.
Yeah.
Soon we'll be putting bags on this thing. Take a look at the exhaust for the first time. At least it's nice and flush. That's gonna suck when I lower it though. Kill two birds with one stone. May as well make the... Oh, I'm just talking to myself on YouTube. Make her a little more aggressive looking. Yeah, we'll pull it out some. Make it look a bit better.
I'm the captain on my ship. I'll be the first one clocking in and the last one on my ship. Bunch of keys in my pocket, my destiny in my grip. Don't take orders or submit. That ain't always a good thing. I don't think man was ever supposed to be king. Despite every sin on the power, do we cling? For me, it ain't malicious. My mission is just to win, and I seen too many ill decisions that.
This is where the OCD kicks in. Flush.
And I'm not against the team, I just don't need it. But if you want to help me out, I didn't mean it. That's no green. But I'm alone, man, and I got some grown man bitch. Ain't got time for anybody who got no ambition. I'm never gonna rely upon no man with I said I'm on a mission. I'm not in solo, this ain't a coalition. I said I'm on a mission.
That looks better. So this wire right here is burnt out. Gonna fix it and put the new one on. All wiring from the front. On the other side as well is the sexy exhaust. Well, we got no back tires left, people. Little too many burnouts. I mean, the tires are wearing bad, and Subaru has to replace them now, sadly. You got more patience than me. Wiring has always frustrated me. Because you get so fucking far and then you get to the end and it's like, oh shit, something's not working.
Yeah.
Where's that problem now? Videos. Where's it going through with?
Everywhere.
Really though. I'm gonna feel bad cutting the fenders.
Oh, that's usually the best part. Fit in my hand.
Yeah, you never know when you're gonna get a face full of rust or dirt. Well, it's not rust, thankfully, at least.
Yeah.
Just dirt. Yeah, this exhaust is nice and shiny.
In the middle, it's the shiniest part.
Satisfying rip.
Yeah.
Get the slow-mo going. Oh.
I'm gonna go and show this to your girlfriend.
Yeah, I was just about to say, where'd you learn to do that? Buttoning everything up now. Almost all wired. It's probably upside down for you.
Now it's upside down for me.
Oh yeah. Underglow. Need for Speed style. Honestly, that's exactly why I love this kind of shit. It's because it reminds me of Need for Speed. That's nice. This one's got a light on it. I like that.
Yeah.
Ooga dooga.
Yeah.
Is that just spinning or is it actually going? Awesome. These annoying little clips. I absolutely hate these things. There we go. The little one. Nice ooga dooga. Can we get it in the hole? There we go. Perfect. Oh yeah. Get a little test going. Turn them on with the switch. I don't know if you guys can see that, because I can't. We got green on that side. Let's hope the green. All good? Yeah. Awesome. Sweet. Thank you, man. I appreciate that a lot. We got the underglow on. It's all buttoned up. The side that was burnt out is now replaced, thanks to Gilbert. If you're watching this, Gilbert, thank you. Shout out to you. And yeah, we'll check back once it's nighttime. We'll give you guys a little shot of what it looks like actually on and all working on all sides. So stay tuned. I know you Americans probably don't have this privilege, or anywhere, most places around the world, but it's so nice being able to just go to your local res and fucking pick up a bunch of good-ass weed. Like, they're pretty decent-sized joints, $2 each. 2 Tuesday kind of thing. And then you get some nice-ass kush. This is all for science purposes. Don't demonetize me, YouTube, because of this, but yeah. Gotta love Canada for some reasons. Just pulling over right quick. We're gonna give it a little test to see how it works. It's not extremely dark right now, but I mean, it's getting there, so we have to try. So I go in here, I click my little button, turn that on, and then this, that's a good sign. Nice. I'm gonna put the 4-ways on right quick. Got the 4-ways on. Had to pull over and check it out. Oh yeah. It looks awesome. It looks fucking great. Thank you, Gilbert. Looks awesome. Cars coming and everything. Alright, we'll jump back in. That looks great. Thank you again, Gilbert. I appreciate that. Much appreciated. It looks great. We'll see it again when it's really dark, but we're going to head home now. There's a little bit of rain, so we'll see you guys later. Give a little takeoff. So much fun. Oh, I love this guy.
I'm the captain on my ship. I'll be the first one clocking in and the last one on my shift. Bunch of keys in my pocket, my destiny in my grip. Don't take orders or